Lot of business of the morning to class 12. Back to LFCS online class. Students, it is revision time. During revision time, we are adapting second book, Vistas. Vistas. And from this book, fourth lesson, The Enemy. The Enemy. Second book. Vistas and now during revision time we will pick up few important sensitive passages to find out questions along with answers. But first of all, we should focus characters, main character of this lesson. As in this lesson, there are only two main characters, Sadao and his wife Hana. Besides them, there are other characters as a general and few servants working in Sadao's house. But mainly Sadao and his wife Hana. First of all, no. Get information about Sadao. Who was Sadao? Who was Hana? First person. Along with question, try to understand answer of this question. Answer also prepare. First question. Who was Sadao? Sadao. First, who was Sadao? First, add something more. Where was his house? Situated. Please write this question and consider answer of this question. Who was Sadao? Who? Tell. Sadao was a doctor. Famous Japanese doctor. Japanese surgeon, you can say. Listen, orally I am telling you answer of this question. At the standard, don't expect to write on the board all the sentences belonging to the question. No. Be concentrated, listen, whatever sentences are being thrown to you, please repeat in your mind. Sadao was a very famous Japanese surgeon. Scientist also, you can see. His house, as where was his house situated? Where? His house was situated on a spot of the Japanese coast. Japanese coast, where he played, he enjoyed too much during his childhood. Next question. Next question. How did Sadao, how did Sadao's marriage with Hannah? How did Sadao's marriage with Hannah come to take place? Take place. How did Sadao's marriage with Hannah come to take place? It be सुनो. How? Means how and where did Sadao and Hannah meet to each other, and what way their marriage was arranged? Part B. Actually, Hannah was also Japanese girl. Hannah was also Japanese girl. But during my summary and explanation of the lesson, I told you that Sadao was sent to America to get education. Hannah was also there. Hannah was also there. Being in America, they met to each other. Being in America, they met to each other. How? Because Sadao, where did he meet Hannah? At the house of a professor, where some foreign students lived. But how did Sadao marry her? How? He waited there. After getting confirmation about her that she was also Japanese, then he fell in her love. And when they came back to Japan, being certified that both of them were Japanese, and both of them were well educated. Sadao's father was satisfied with all these points. Then he was there, and he agreed to accept such way Sadao's marriage with Hannah come to take place. Next question. First, second, and third. Third one. While Sadao came back, getting education in surgery in Japan, he was settled, but he was not sent to the army. Question. Why was Sadao not sent to the battlefield? While that time America and Japan, there was a war. They were running a war between America and Japan. But Sadao was not sent to the battlefield. Why? Why was Sadao not sent to the battlefield? Why? Because he got education properly and became a reputed expert, glorious surgeon. Who? Sadao. He was perfecting a discovery that could make wounds entirely clean. Moreover, he was treating the old general medically, and general could need an operation also. That was why Sadao was not sent to the battlefield. Now write answer told by me in your own words. This is homework. Thanks, have a nice day.